Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the default footer in ActiveCampaign emails. If you've been using the same generic footer for a while and want to customize it with your own branding, contact information, or a more personalized touch, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and automations. Now look over to the left side menu and click on Email. This will display a list of all the email campaigns you've created. From this list, select the specific email where you want to change the footer. It could be a newsletter, a promotional email, or any campaign you're currently working on. Once you've found the right email, click on it to open the email details. After opening the email, you'll see a preview of how it currently looks. To make changes to the design, click on Edit Design. This will launch the Email Designer, which is where all the magic happens. The designer gives you full control over the layout, content, and styling of your email. Once you're inside the designer, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your email. This is where the current footer is located. Now hover your cursor just below the last piece of content in your email. You'll notice a plus icon appears. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This allows you to add a new section to your email, which will become your custom footer. Next, you'll be prompted to select the layout for this new section. Choose the layout that best fits the style and structure you have in mind for your footer. Layouts can vary, so pick one that gives you the flexibility you need. After selecting the layout, it's time to add a text block. Look for the text block option in the Content Elements panel and drag the text block into the new section you just created. This text block will hold all the important information you want to include in your footer. Now click on the text block to activate it, then click on Personalization Tags, which is usually located in the toolbar or right side panel. From the drop-down, click on Message, and then select List Sender Info with multiple lines. This will automatically insert your sender information, such as your company name, address, and contact details, into the footer. It's a professional touch that also helps with compliance. Next, you'll want to insert an unsubscribe link, which is a legal requirement for email marketing. Click on Personalization Tags again, then click on Message, and finally click on Unsubscribe link. This will add a functional unsubscribe option for your recipients, ensuring they can opt out if they choose to. At this point, you can add a simple sentence or include more personalization tags to make your footer even more engaging. For example, you might add a thank you message, social media links, or additional contact information. This is your chance to make the footer truly yours. Once you've added all the content you need, click on the text block again. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a panel with various styling options. Here, you can edit the text color, background color, alignment, fixed height, line spacing, and padding. Take your time adjusting these settings until your footer looks polished and professional. And that's it. You've successfully customized the default footer in your ActiveCampaign emails. Your emails will now have a footer that reflects your brand and provides all the necessary information to your subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.